Welcome back to Raleigh Ranked. So I went to Early Bird Donuts in Durham, and as the name of the place suggests, you definitely want to go as early as you possibly can because they sell out of donuts pretty quickly. They have a wide array of donuts, plus they have a wide array of breakfast sandwiches. I will say the interior was lacking for me. I felt like I was at a family cookout with the wood tables and the benches, which the bench was really high for that table, by the way. It wasn't that comfortable. But for a little under $3, I got a Bavarian cream-filled donut, and what's cool about this place is they actually fill all of their filled donuts to order, so that sets them apart. But the Bavarian cream was perfect, the donut was nice and fluffy. I do recommend this place for to-go orders only.